Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss 7 reasons why Telegram is better than WhatsApp, and those are the 2 most very powerful social media apps. Which is better between Telegram and WhatsApp? Keep following. But in this video, I'm gonna tell you that Telegram is far much better than WhatsApp. The first reason is connectivity with friends. For example, on Telegram, you can just click on the search button and you type in anything you want to type, and it will just bring you some groups, some friends, and from there you can add people like this person. So you can message the person, even though you didn't have the person as a friend, but you can make the person your friend, unlike WhatsApp. So on WhatsApp, if you don't have the number of someone, so never you can be able to chat the person up. So on Telegram, there is more tendency to make more friends. The second thing is the group capacity. For example, on Telegram, this is a group that I am, and you see the subscribers, they are over 42,000 subscribers. Unlike WhatsApp, which is your subscribers can't be much than 257, and that's quite very low compared to Telegram on. So Telegram can accommodate unlimited numbers of people in a group. And the third thing is total control over one's group. For example, this is one of my groups, and I can try and this is what I sent earlier. So I can just come here to edit, so I can change what I want to change. Unlike WhatsApp, so far you have already sent something and you made mistake, so just forget it. There's no way you can change it unless you delete what you sent earlier. Also, if someone send a message to my group that I don't like, probably is a spam, so I can be able to delete the message. For example, let's check this. So let's just click on the delete button. Then I can just ban the person or report this person or even delete all from the person. So that's Telegram for you. But unlike WhatsApp, you just have to start pleading the person to delete for everyone. And the fourth is the file size. On Telegram, you can be able to send up to 1.5 gig files to your friends or to your groups. But on WhatsApp, your media shouldn't be more than 70 meg and up to 100 meg for your files. That's quite very low. And the fifth is cloud-based. For example, on Telegram, when you send files or media to your groups or to your friends, automatically new participants or even someone who has already downloaded it can just come back and re-download all what was sent, even if past a year. But if it's on WhatsApp, immediately you have your WhatsApp chat wiped. Surely you won't find anything again except you back up, and backup is not 100%. Then the sixth is the language. For example, on Telegram, you can come to your settings and you change your language to any other thing. For example, my own to Arabic. So do we see it? But on WhatsApp, you can never do that. You just have English. And the seventh one, which is the last, is the folders. You can categorize your chats into folders. For example, I have this, I have the personal, I have the groups, the channels, and so on and so forth, depending on you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and on the notification bell in order to receive more videos from us. See you later.